What are your earliest memories of me as a professor?
I remember you very well, Dr. Farnum. You were the first woman veterinarian that I ever met.
Oh.
Your class was quite a challenge for me. I didn't pass that first midterm.
Oh.
And I was devastated. And I don't recall the exact circumstances, but you reached out to me and you said to me that it was going to be okay and that I was going to be fine, and you had arranged for a tutor for me. For half of that semester, we spent an hour together, and she taught me how to make sense of anatomy, and I started to approach it a little bit differently. And I will never forget the day that you handed out our final exam grade. And you handed me mine, and there was an A written on it. And you were very reserved, but you had a tiny little smile. And I remember that I screamed, and I reached out to you, and I just gave you a huge hug. And you were shocked. You didn't expect it, and both of us laughed. And then at that moment, I knew that I would realize my dream and become a veterinarian. And that day you changed my life, Dr. Farnum. Because of you, I'm the veterinarian I am today. That small act of yours changed me forever. You believed in me when I didn't believe in myself, and I can't believe that it's still so emotional after all these years. But it was you that gave me the confidence that I never had and changed me forever.
Well, it's you who's making me teary right now. That's a wonderful story. From now on, it's Carol and Nelly, right?
Yes. Yes, it will be.